straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it, see how.
Hello my loves, how y'all doing? I hope you're fine. I am fine and I'm super excited for this one. Actually, I'm shooting this on during the mood of Valentine's and all that. So I'm super excited to do a reset for myself. I feel like I want to just clean the house, just feel good in my space, and you guys love watching resets, and this is one of those resets that you'll watch me do. So I want to actually do fridge restock. I shopped the day before yesterday. I haven't yet restocked because I want to clean the whole fridge and just get rid of the foodstuffs that have been there for quite some time and just restock new ones. And also I did get a new duvet from Beddings, which I'll show you later. I want to change my beddings. And also I did receive a package from Zawadi Cosmetics, which I'm so excited about because I really wanted a new shade of red lipstick, and now I have it. I have a few of them. I have glosses, lipsticks, liners, which I'll show you guys in this video. So sit back, relax, and let's do the reset. And I'm so excited to actually do a reveal of my new table, which you haven't seen, by the way. It's so cute. Ooh. I'll show you guys. I feel like I want to go with the rib design for the rest of the things that I don't have in the house. I want a stand over here that's long, then I'll just put a base there that you will see later. So I think I'll also go with the same design that I've done for my table, which you will see later in this video. So we'll do these shades. I think I should actually show you guys right now before I start the video, then we can do the whole house reset. So let's get down to it.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it, see how. Rewind.
So you can get all this from Zawadi Cosmetics. Thank you so much, Zawadi Cosmetics, for this dope glosses and lipsticks. I'm super excited to try them out. I think I'll show you guys maybe in the next video when I just do full face paint and I apply my lipstick. You will see it. So anyway, let's get now down to work. We have a long day ahead. We have a lot of things to do in the house. So I think I'll first start with the bedroom. Let me go change my beddings, then do the fridge, then the living room, then the table by now will be here. We will decorate the table with you, okay? So let's just get down to work. So I got this set, guys, at Homebox. I just got it cute, and I feel like now that my kitchen is big, I have a lot of counters, so I can get different things to decorate the counters and all that. So honestly, this is not for the storage of vinegar and sugar and all that. This is just to decorate my counter. So I want to show you guys how everything looks. This is so cute. I'll show you, by the way, how I saw it when I was buying at Homebox, how they looked, and that's how I got the idea. So I'll just like have them like this, maybe this behind, and then this through here. So they're like this cute set. So this one is for pepper, this is for salt, this is for vinegar, and this is for oil. So let me just show you up close. So this one looks like this, and this one like this. I think actually I'll just pour vinegar, oil, salt, and pepper actually inside this. Let's do that. Oh, this is so cute. You actually put your stuff from down here instead of up. Wow, this is cute. And they're made of glass, so that's how they look. So I think actually they match my kitchen aesthetic because I have a black fridge which can go with these toppings, and also I have white stuff, so to just go well with the kitchen. So yeah, that's the item number one. So let's just put it aside. So let me show you guys some of the things that I shopped.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look
set of glasses for just water. My new champagne glasses, by the way, I got these ones from Wine Drops. That's their page on Instagram. You can see on the screen. So they are these cute champagne glasses. I like the stem and I love the shape of this one. So they're so cute. They look like that. So I needed a new set for just drinking water. And let me show you guys how they look. So this is the one I picked. I was so conflicted between two shapes. I'll show you guys the two shapes, but I ended up picking this one. I just feel like it's cute and simple. So yeah.
Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here undone. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up. Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you do.
Yeah, so I've just finished lane one. I just want now to start the second one. So this one will have more of the short things, because here I like putting the longer or taller things, because the space up here is bigger. I didn't put, you know, I'm supposed to have like another shelf that I removed up here so that they can fit straight. So now I'll have the shorter things, like the canned drinks and all that.
It's funny how my heart is wired. It doesn't make any sense to me. But who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is.
I like stocking. I love this one, zero sugar, but I usually find that most of my guests don't prefer this zero sugar. They prefer this normal one. So I like stocking both of them. These are for my guests, then I can now have this for myself. So yeah.
Someone who you're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. I know I never meant to hurt you. I know I never meant to hurt you, but I'm in love with my.
I'll just put my leftover pancakes here. I had made some pancakes, which I think I made too many. So I'll just store them there, and also have chapati. I think I'll actually have chapati for dinner today. So let me just organize them here.
I'm in love with myself. 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 I want you to know I won't let go, even if I couldn't love you back the same way you've been loved. Let me always. Please understand and take my hand. Say you won't hold this against me, 'cause I can't help.
I'll be using my new beddings that are from Zuri Beddings, and actually I think almost all my beddings are from them. They've been supplying me with beddings for quite some time, so I totally recommend them. Especially my new house is super cold, so I needed a very warm duvet, and this quality is so dope, isn't it? So soft. So yeah, I'm so excited to just enjoy my new duvet. And I love white. I have the same duvet actually in gray, so this time I picked it in white so that I can just have different duvets. But since they're both warm, I prefer having the same texture but now different colors so that I can change them from time to time. So yeah, let's change my beddings, and yeah, let's have clean ones now on.
I'm not gonna play nice. I'll be the witch you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon. I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind. Yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind. Yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play cool when you take me for a damn fool. I'm just so sick.
So my table is here, guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. So here's my table, guys. It's so cute. I wanted it very low and big. It's actually really big, bigger than I thought it would be. So now I feel like I can squeeze my couch a little bit behind. Yeah, I love it. So it's kind of not so clean because of maybe where it was stored, so I'll just use this kitchen cleaner to clean the surface. And now we can start decorating our table. I'm so excited.